We are seeing Dom any so the Osun Takracho, Kumasi Asante Kotoko players, no, some of them and a former Black Star player, Augustine Ahemfo, I think some of them say they don't deserve to play for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now, some of them, wow, mo bono, enye Kotoko level. Now, ultimi Kotoko ne club ultimi nkofefa players bia every baby ma. Asema okay, ultimi se oka utwako ogum so pa because basically ogum and sign these players or mobile kotoko no. Now say kotoko enye club ukọ anu akofa second division no. Sa asemu amanfo kan amene omunya adwe. Kotoko ne club akofa second division no. Enti ye youth side na ye be ye no. Enye players nkra na be free ma. Tembia na ye nkoto de aben. Wo de nsem no ma men kan sa one ne adwe. I say yes, of course, I can say that some of the players within the current Asante Kotoko setup are not supposed to be there. I can say that as technical person because Kotoko is Kotoko, and from that I've seen some of the players do not deserve to play for Kotoko. When I did some background checks on the players, I realized that some are second division players because you see a player and you ask where he's coming from, which team did he play before joining Kotoko, and you do the checks and you realize that he was playing for either first division or second division elsewhere. But this is Asante Kotoko we are talking about, and let's not forget that not every good player that you see at maybe Bechem or other places can come to Kotoko and be successful. Asem way asema yenyina yenim Kotoko standard ne ewosoro. But a players no and I will say umunya the proper orientation no so show mo din ye. Well, I don't know what you think. Augustine Ahemfo twabi ama Kotoko players the promise was on deserve so mebo Kotoko. Semo